Pasadena ISD students flew to the Beehive, the district's first ever spelling bee workshop, to learn spelling strategies and tips to get ready for the district-wide spelling bee February 10th and 24th. Scripps National Spelling Bee finalist Symantec Pyra was on hand to share his winning strategies.
I'm going to talk to you when you come to table number 2, and he's going to share for you some strategies that he used that help him be successful in the bee. You should be very, very honored that he was able to come out tonight. All right.
Students rotated through several learning stations, using games and activities to improve their word power.
If you have a line over a vowel, it means it's a long vowel.
Alright, who got it right? Raise your hand!
Alright, if you got it right, you get a sticker.
Woo! Good job! Alright, start your next session!
Sometimes it's an I sound, sometimes it's an I sound.
Oh, you. Okay? Now this is one of those examples where sounding it out wouldn't be helpful.
Your word is creepy. Creepy. What are you hearing at the end? I used it in a sentence.
As the students buzzed around the Beehive, they participated in spell-offs and assembled a study booklet to take home at the end of the night. Pyra's mother, Sanjukta, spoke to the parents of Beehive attendants and answered questions about coaching children to success.
Learning is not just during spelling bee time. So if they want to do well in spelling, they have to study the whole year round. While they are studying the words, they can use that same knowledge for other subject areas also. They learn things in science, they learn things in social studies, they learn things even in math. It's not just English and spelling, it's that same knowledge that they can apply in so many different subject areas also.
Good luck to all of our Pasadena ISD Spelling Bee contestants.